One man don't go kill him fiancee because of 14 million naira. My people, things they really happen for this Nigeria. How you go kill your wife because of money? This woman, whether they call her Madam Josephine Cynthia Inalegwe Onche, now be this woman name. They even talk say this woman na even NSCDC official wey be Nigerian Security and Civil Defense Corps. See person wey even dey for inside security, she no even know say her life self no even dey secure. For them to come kill her, it means say you self as normal human being, in fact you suppose dey careful, because person wey be security, wey be say she self she no even know say her life no even there, her life don't even there at stake. It means say normal human being self anything go fit happen to anybody. They talk say few days to this woman wedding. Now there they come declare say this woman don't miss, and this one happened for December 2019. Now there they talk say wedding period don dey reach just like 1 week. They no come see this woman again. As the matter be, as police go do investigation, now there they come see say now this woman fiance wey name na Christopher. Now he do all this kind of matter, now he even kill this woman. As he go be, they talk say this man and this woman they date. And this man don't promise this woman, if like say this woman gather money well, but she get money well. So because of money, I make this man come love this woman. So this woman they always spend on top of him. So tell this woman come carry 14 million naira. Hey, this kind of big money. This woman self love oh. Because me I never see where person go love person. So tell you go carry this kind plenty amount of money go give this kind man. On top of waiting. I feel saying a desperation. This woman dey desperate to marry. Now waiting make her do this kind of thing. But as the woman carry this money now, give this man. Their love still they go on. No? But if I say wedding period on the reach, maybe this man no get plans to marry this woman. They say on the night, now there this woman can say, may she go even visit this her lover. Oh. As she reach her lover place, I don't know waiting this man tell this woman. How ain't they convince this woman? They can say they won't reach one ritualist place, they won't reach one babalawo place. How this whole matter they even tell link up? Because some kind tourists, if I know they even understand what in this man they talk. If let's say police, and I know do investigation where. So this man come tell the woman say, may they go this ritualist place to see they won't go do something for there. Now there this woman self can't carry herself go. Now there this ritualist and her fiance can't kill this woman. As they kill and finish, they go bury her inside forest, inside shallow forest. And this man say he promised the babalawo 5 million. How this thing tell link up? Waiting this woman tell you, but waiting this woman do you where be say you can't kill her. Where be say you can't even promise this herbalist 5 million. One thing that I can't feel say it be like say this woman herself, some things dead here, maybe she don't go use her body, maybe she go do blood money or something. Now I make this whole matter come reach and ritualist place. Because I don't understand. You will get your legit money. Your man can't tell you say make we go babalawo place. For waiting I go do there. But this man, you see, as God want to catch him, as they take catch this man, this man they for Abuja, they enjoy in life. Now there police can't go for raiding, for where they go catch about 35 other suspects where they involved in kidnapping and armed robbery. Now there they can't catch this man before this man come confess, say, now he kill his wife. Hey! See as human being they desperate on top of waiting. On top of this way they call love. L-O-V-E, love. Love will be say, you know, say this kind of love, self, no be even true love you get for this woman. You can't steal the promise and say, you won't marry her. My people, where they always they desperate for marriage. Now, all this kind of thing, they happen, no? You will be said, the Lord, they disturb you, say, go marry. But because say you get money, you go feel and say, now you won't marry. This man, he no even love this woman at all. He just marry this woman, sake of say, he just won't chop this woman money. So if like say this woman don't they disturb about the whole marriage. Now make a contact say, I don't even like this woman, say, make a cuckoo just kill her. And I think on kill her, he can't settle the ritualist. Police suppose find this ritualist because this man no suppose just go sit down still they doing ritualist for free. Because now don't commit bad thing. That means this ritualist are so in they kill people. Because this one, if they no catch this man now, we no going to hear this thing. See this kind of old man now. Now you can't come outside. You don't old. What you make you never marry since? If no be saying a longer throat. Young boys they do this kind of thing because they talk say young boys they follow old women because of money. See old baba. Now they follow old mama said because of money. Hey, nothing where person no go see for this Nigeria. Because of how much be money? How much be money where we say you go tell us, okay, oh, I beg, I no love you. Abi, if the woman will even help you, she go help you. Person will be say she never even marry you, she give you 14 million. If she can't marry you, uncle, you know the kind of thing where this woman go give you. But as the reason this, I beg my people, where this woman for see 14 million naira? Person where they work under NSCDC, government work, how much did they pay them? I bet this lady won't talk say maybe our family get money so te. If your family gets money so te, you know could they do this kind of work. You know could even they work under government for this kind of low rank. My people, things they happen. See this woman, see the two of them. You go see them now, look them, say, these two people now, they're in love. You know, go say one day in love, one day in lust. The other one just they do and say, because of say, waiting in one gain. Make na they shine in their eyes, so people will be saying, I go just jump inside love matter. Now no go know waiting they happen. This one now, na fiancee, in fact, husband to be 1 week to wedding, now ain't killing wife. Oh, and they hear waiting they happen, na be my people. This one, I say, make her bring and come, make herself hear waiting they really happen for this our Nigeria. Anything way I feel about this whole matter, make her no forget to write them inside the comment section. Make her no come forget to like, share, and also subscribe to this channel. I go see you now for the next video. Kaduna police don't arrest two friends because of say these friends killed their friend because of say waiting this that they owe this man money. See waiting money they cost for this our country. See waiting money don't lead people into. The police command talk say them receive complaint for this boy papa wey name na Basir. This one happen for Zaria town. Say the papa call say in pikin wey name na Idris Bashiru. Say this boy come out since June 4. Say that they find this boy since that day, they never even see this boy again. Now there the papa can't start to panic. You know, now papa as person wey get pikin, you go wonder say where your pikin go. But say as everything be, he no see this pikin and in they suspect in some friend. This one wey name na Manil Suliyu, abi na Saliyu. I be this one name. Now there after they find. In they suspect this man, but he no go meet the person. But as the matter be, Nadia ain't gonna call police, tell police. Now like this thing they happen. I never see my pikin since. And my pikin talk say, in they go this in friend house. And since when he go this in friend house, I never see him again. Nadia police gonna declare, say, okay, that they find this in friend, this manil of a guy, say, make them find him. Make them know what won't happen. My people, as they go see this whole matter, where they catch this manil. Nadia, this man come confess, say, he don't kill. It's shock now. He don't kill this Idris of a guy. Why you go kill person on top of person money? On I see as people take wicked. Now you the old person. Now you stick on the vex on top of the person money. Talk to not be even only him. Kill this their friend though. Say him and one guy where they call Aliyu Yahaya. Then two of them carry this boy go. They deceive and carry and go one uncompleted building. Now there they can't kill him. Say as they can't even kill him finish, they can't carry him body. Go drop inside well. Human being. If say this boy never even die, maybe the whole killing, maybe he no die. Now they can't even kill him 2 times. Now this one is supposed to even call double murder. Because you don't kill him first. The killing no reach you, but you know you can't still carry this person, go drop inside well. Maybe not that even well, say that drowning. Now even can't kill this boy. Maybe not be even the killing when I kill him, now the water now kill him. Now on top of what, how much on they owe these people? They say 385,000 naira. Now then these 2 men, be na 2 men, be na 1 man. Now they owe them these people. You will go borrow this kind of money. You know say you no get this money to pay back. You can't decide say you want borrow so take this money reach this amount to pay back. Now can't turn to wahala. You can't see and say the only thing way you go fit do now to kill this person. On I see why I know they even like to borrow person money. If I not borrow, you go talk say I stingy. I like him. Make I stingy like that. Because I think give you now, you can't they think say you want pay me back. You can't the reason I want to kill me. On I see what some people they do abi. Person will borrow person money. He give this person money with joy. Now for person to come even pay back, the person can't they vex. They what? Now your money. Now your money. So person no fit ask you for your money again. People just they heartless and wicked. Every day by day, different kind of wickedness, different kind of bad thing. And people just they do. And you will borrow the money. In fact, people when they borrow money now, it don't they risky. Make not even they try and make not give person anybody money. No matter the amount where the person can't meet you, because now you feel even borrow person one day or can't kill you don't they over risky. Your life now don't they at risk because of saying you won't give person money. I bet we will never find friend will be say we go can't kill us at the long run. Because this one now people talk say now in friend. See person where they call your best friend. Your best friend I can't get plan. Now I still can't kill you. And that's the reason maybe this in friends have no even plan say you want kill this guy. Now this Aliyu of a guy now go give and that mind say go kill this person. So then these 2 fine Hausa men. Now no fit think of better thing. Go work pay this person this money. Una no think am. Now as na go take kill am. In fact in this life you no balance. Nothing balance again for this life. Everybody don't dey kolo. Because if person don't sit down and say, I want kill person, it means that the person don't dey mental. Something don't they enter the person brain to the reason this kind of thing. But as the matter be like this, they say police don't carry this body come out from inside that well. As they won't go do investigation, been an examination on probably, I don't know if they won't check there. But you know, some Muslim custom, they're supposed to release this body early so that the family will go bury this boy. But they talk say now they don't do all this thing, no. And they don't even really know as these people take kill them. But they don't give the body now to the boy family. May they go bury this Idris of a boy. May his soul rest in peace. See friends on when I go they carry friends, 30 friends, 20 friends. The day when one of them go shock on her, now there on her body go calm down. Now there na go know say to they carry friends up and down. You know good. Stay on your own, dey your lane. All these kind of friends when we say pepper body now go they worry them. Your progress self, they know they even want her. Now as you go tell they die, make down for the full. Now all those kind of things they think go. This one now make na use and learn lesson. I'm not saying I go even use and learn lesson because this kind of thing will happen. You know they happen on a regular. So many people it don't happen to, but to even they know they think themselves to say death. How much be this? How much be this money? Now for just leave this person, make this person dey on his own. Any year when I gather this money, and I give the person. No be that be the solution. No. My people now this one now I see I can say make I bring and come on aside, making herself using her ear, hear waiting they happen. Anything when I feel, make not forget to write and for the comment section. Make not forget to like or share and also subscribe to this channel. I will see you now for the next video.